Hello and welcome back to I Made This Today. I am Reese the King as always, and today we're going to get drawing, baby. Oh yes. So as I said in the intro, we are going to be doing some drawing today. I am really excited for this one. I have been thinking, what should I draw? And then it hit me like a ton of bricks. Oh! Just kidding. I decided that today we would draw the Man of Steel, the one, the only, the Superman. I decided as well that I'm going to take my own spin on this. I'm not going to take inspiration from anything other than one thing. The one thing I decided to take inspiration of was the Henry Cavill Man of Steel movies franchise's Superman symbol, because I quite like that one. I think it's the coolest looking one out of them all. So fight me, bro. Anyway, we are going to do that. I'm going to take an original drawing and make it original, because it's my original. Anyway, we're going to get into that. So should we dive into that right now? I believe we should. Let's do it. Boom. One quick question, just popping in mid-video. Hi. Who is your favourite Superman? Hit me up in the comments down below. Be it animated, be it movie-wise, Christopher Reeves, Henry Cavill. Who do you think is the best? Or that other guy, Brandon something? Let me know in the comments down below. Who's your favourite Superman? Please. On with the video. Okay, gonna level with you. I like the drawing that we've just made. It looks really nice. But then it started making me think, how could I dabble with it? How can I make it crazy? So I came up with one idea. How about we make an incredibly dark and disturbing Superman symbol? One that's maybe covered in blood. Evil Superman stuff coming right up. So he's only gone and finished it, hasn't he? Hey? Little Superman over here, little geezer. I'm actually really pleased with this. There are some things I would have done differently if I was to do it again, which, you know, is what drawing is all about. I left the background on this one just completely clear because, to be honest with you, I felt like it just kind of looked cool for it, you know? I didn't feel like I needed to do anything extra with it. I do like it. I think it looks pretty decent. He turned out looking a bit more Henry Cavill and a little more Henry Cavill. Anyway, this is good Superman, but this isn't where we stopped, is it? Oh no, this isn't where we stopped. We then decided to get a little dark, a little crazy. And we made the brutal bad Superman. I don't know what his name is. What's the bad Superman's name? I can't think off the top of my head. If you know, let me know in the comments down below. We made the bad Superman symbol all greyed out with the red sort of in background, and then we have blood just splattered on it. Now, to do this, I shook the alcohol marker really frigging hard at the paper. You probably didn't see that part. Because I don't think I filmed it. But anyway, we made it really bad. But it did come at a cost of my hands. I've washed them now, but initially there was red ink kind of everywhere. I was careful in where I had done it, but it did mean that I got sprayed all over my hands, and it looked like I had maybe done something very bad.
Something very dark. Very evil.
But I didn't, so it's okay. Anyway, what did you think? Do you like this cool, sort of abstracty, bad Superman one? Or do you like good traditional soupy soup? Either way, we have completed them both now, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. It's been a cool one. I'm also working on something very cool. Do you want to see a snippet? But for you people that stick around to the end of the video, this is my prototype light box. Okay, so it's got lights all built into the back of it. They'll illuminate. I'm not going to show you the cool sassy shots just now, but this is my prototype. It's the Punisher. And I'm really liking it so far. So that's a little snippet there for you guys and girls if you come back and watch next week's video, and also to thank you for watching all the way to the end of this video. Yeah, as always, I've enjoyed myself. I love sitting and drawing and losing myself in it. You should too. Go and explore and learn and mess around, and what's the worst that can happen? You get a Superman who looks slightly weird? Possible. But nonetheless, I've tried, I've succeeded, I've learned from my mistakes, and now I will be even better next time. So let me know what you thought. Let me know what you think. Let me know everything. And smash like, please, and subscribe if you're new, and I will catch you in the next video. The next one's going to be great. So, and not that this one wasn't. This was great as well. I'm over talking. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.